The Global Hunger Index ranking, the recent report published, is very much concern for us. As per this report, out of 116, Indian position is Indian 111. Earlier, Indian position was 94. So I want to know, this is very much concern for us. I want to know for Honorable Minister to improve this situation, what measure government is going to take, and it will take how many years to improve our position.
Thank you.
Permission, I would like to highlight to the Honourable Member that the answer in fact reflects the challenges as to why the numbers in the Global Hunger Index is not acceptable to many in our country. The way that this survey was conducted was through a telephone call. And I'll just give an example of one of the questions posed in the telephone conversation. क्या आपको कभी भूख लगी थी जब आपने खाना ना खाया? So, can you imagine, sir, that we are talking about a medical challenge, a societal challenge that is measured through a Gallup phone call. This is why, and the other additional information that has been made available in the reply is that conditions where COVID has impacted the state of nutrition and societal, in fact, concerns in our neighborhood have not found a reflection in this index or in this study, which means that countries, as the senior member of the House had also enunciated in his response, countries like Nepal, Sri Lanka, Afghanistan, it seems from this report that they have been unaffected by COVID, which is not true. And insofar as the members desire to ask how much of an effort are we undertaking, again, I will, sir, here highlight that apart from the Ministry of Tribal Affairs, Ministry of Health and Family Welfare is one of the lead participants in the Poshan Abhiyan, wherein through medical interventions, we have ensured that the Chief Medical Officer of every district takes into consideration children who are SAM and MAM, that is severely acutely malnourished children, and children who need medical attention immediately. I must here, sir, highlight that many members will have access to suppositions in terms of number of SAM children in our country. For the first time under the leadership of the Honorable Prime Minister, sir, we have engaged with states to get precise numbers. There was a pronouncement years ago in this very house that we have 8 million plus SAM children in the country. However, when states, sir, with medical assistance and supervision undertook a survey, that number reduced to less than 1.5 million, sir.
Thank you.